So I was feeling inspired by some art from the Rococo era, and I wanted to start working with some of those muted greens, the olive green and the blues. And this is a watercolor painting, and what happened was I started really overworking it, and it became really muddied and messy. And instead of throwing it out or becoming overly frustrated, I decided to take advantage of the opportunity and try out some different colors. So it's funny, without that pressure, I just felt like anything was okay, and I could just go ahead and enjoy the process a little bit without stressing. So I'm going to speed this up, or you will be here watching this all day. And usually you go light to dark with watercolor, but at this point I just started treating it as an acrylic painting while still using watercolor. So I'm just adding some light grasses and some highlights to kind of break things up a little bit. And I decided to go in with a very small hake brush or hake brush and add some golden leaves to the very tips of the branches, the trees. Then I went in with a sponge to add a little bit more. I felt like this painting needed a bit more contrast, so I went ahead and added some trees in the foreground. I mixed Payne's Gray and Raw Umber. They needed to be really dark to offer that contrast. So there you have it. I managed to salvage another painting.